feeling depressed? Are you feeling lonely? Or do you feel you are not worth? If you feel this video is just for you. Welcome back to Asha Kiranangal. I am Asha Priya Joseph. Now for this shooting, we are in Kothamangalam. Exactly this place is in Ernakulam district of Kerala. This place is very well known for its scenic beauty and it's very beautiful. Today's topic is very simple, but at the same time it's very unique. Do you always admit that you are unique? And what is your opinion about yourself? Always we seek others' opinion about ourselves, but we never seek our opinion about ourselves. What we think about ourselves. Do you value yourself? At times we say that I'm not good, I don't have this quality or that quality. Whatever I do, it always becomes a failure and I don't have anyone to trust. But you have to admit the fact that you are unique. There is no one else in the world just like you. Recently, I have read that no two zebras are alike. I was really wondering and I got amazed by this fact. Oh, I thought all zebras are black and white, but their stripes are different. So likewise, there is no one like us. Thinking about ourselves or thinking about our worth is called self-esteem. We have to develop our self-esteem each and every day. But there is a little problem. We always think about ourselves based on others' opinion. But always we think about ourselves based on others' framework. Let me give you a simple example. Let's talk about learning. We always learn, but based on our learning style, we are categorized into three. Let me repeat. Based on our learning style, we are divided into three classes. First one is visual, then auditory, and finally kinesthetic. Visual learners tend to visualize things. For example, if a teacher wants to teach some concept in the class, also if the teacher brings a chart or a map, the visual learners learn very fast. On the other hand, auditory learners, by simple lectures and talks, they understand the concepts very clearly. Have you remember in our class when some teachers teach, especially we can think about our maths classes, where the teachers, when they teach some concepts, some students are very eager and they suddenly jump up and answer. Teacher, I'll answer. I'll do the problem very fast. Why? Because they are coming under this category. They are auditory people. On the contrary, these kinesthetic people always try to learn through some experiments. Their learning style would be effective if we do some experiments or if we teach them some concepts through experimentations. So what are the three categories? Visual, auditory and kinesthetic. So one is visualizing and one can understand concepts very easily by hearing and others understand through experiments. Let me give you a very simple example. That is, suppose a mother is teaching a child about raining, we can say, and think that mother is auditory. So she'll be always explaining and lecturing only, and the child is visual. And the mother is explaining the child that, okay, when sunlight comes, water evaporates and then it makes clouds, and then after condensation it falls as rain. Whatever the mother say, we can say 10 times or 25 times, the child won't be understanding anything. But if the mother takes a paper and if the mother draws this, suppose this is water and this is sun, and through its rays water just evaporates, then it condenses and it falls as rain. If the mother says like this, the child understands better. But we can imagine, maybe we can say, the mother would definitely say that, okay, you are good for nothing. And the child frames his mind accordingly. So like that, we always frame our mind in accordance with others' opinions and thoughts. But let me say, we are not what others say. We are unique. And upholding and upgrading yourself is called self-esteem. So in these days, let us think about ourselves, our qualities, our uniqueness, and let us move forward with this positive thought in our mind always. So in the coming videos, I'll be explaining more about this topic. Thank you very much for listening. Always remember, God has made you in a unique way. There is no match for you, and you are special and unique. Thank you for listening to me. We'll meet next time if it is God's will. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you.